Hi everyone, I'm Tess, and tonight for dinner I'm making a rich classic chicken marsala. I'm starting by making a simple mushroom broth. I'm taking the stems of the mushrooms and placing them in a couple cups of water and simmering for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can use chicken broth for this recipe, but I like the rich mushroom flavor. Tonight I have a couple chicken breasts that I cut into similar sized pieces. You should use chicken cutlets or pound the chicken into a 1/4 inch thickness, but I'm just being lazy tonight. I'm dredging the pieces in some all-purpose flour, salt, and black pepper, making sure I thoroughly coat each side and shaking off any excess. I'm frying the chicken in a medium to medium-high heat pan with some olive oil. I'm just frying the chicken on each side for a couple minutes or until they have a nice golden crust, and then I'm removing from the pan. The chicken is not fully cooked, but it will finish cooking in the sauce. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding in some diced onion, and you can use shallots. Just tossing in the pan and then adding in my mushrooms and a little salt and black pepper. I didn't add any oil to the pan because the mushrooms will release a good bit of water, deglaze the pan, and pick up all that flavor on the bottom. I'm also adding in some sliced garlic, letting this cook for about 5 minutes or until most of the liquid is gone. Now I'm adding in the Marsala wine. There is a dry and sweet Marsala wine. Just make sure you get the dry. Letting the wine cook for a couple minutes, and then I'm adding in my mushroom broth, and this is going to add a lot of flavor and richness. I'm turning my heat up, bringing this to a simmer, and adding my chicken and all the juices back into the pan. This chicken will only take about 5 more minutes to thoroughly cook. I'm going to turn and baste the chicken a couple times. If you're using chicken cutlets, it may only take a minute or two to heat through and coat with the sauce. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and the equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. A couple last ingredients before we are done. In goes some fresh chopped parsley and a couple tablespoons of cold, unsalted butter. This will help thicken the sauce. Cooking for another minute or two, and it's ready. The sauce is creamy, rich, and good. The chicken is nice and tender, and of course I just love the mushrooms. You can serve this with potatoes, noodles, rice, or even some steamed broccoli sounds good. I hope you give this chicken marsala dinner a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!